We just got our new collar, and we're gonna add our AirTag to it. And this is for our dog. This is very durable, very strong. If you guys can see, it's more like a military grade here. And you could actually Velcro his name, Velcro other stuff. And this is really thick and strong. They make them different colors, different sizes for different dogs. Just make sure you size up your dog prior to setting up. Now, once you set up to the AirTag, it does come with an Allen wrench. If you guys can see, just take out the Allen wrench, open this up. Make sure that this is facing up, and you should be ready to go. Now, one thing that's important, you can always replace these, and you can always replace the batteries on these AirTags. All right, so by squeezing them down and twisting them counterclockwise, you will be able to take it off. So we're gonna set this up for our dog, and he's gonna play with it outside. It's waterproof because it's nice and sealed, but you don't have to worry about these things. These things are durable too. So. It has the Apple tag here, plenty of space for the dog's neck. All right, so you could grab them on here. Very durable, but I like this spot. This is perfect for dogs, and it fits them very well. So hope you guys enjoy the video.